what we learn from studying survivors is that regardless of the cause, there are things that you can do right now to help your immune system repair all the damage that's been done. Cancer survivors are a wonderful group to study. And that's what I study. I study actually cancer survivors who are beating incredible odds. And it's really important that we begin paying as much attention to survivors as we do to the people who are getting sick. So up until about 20 years ago, most research was focused on trying to figure out what was causing cancer, why people were getting sick. And we've come a long way, but guess what? We now know that cancer is a really complex disease. It can be caused by viruses, bacteria, toxins, genetic mutation, and a whole host of other things. And so what we learn from studying survivors is that regardless of the cause, there are things that you can do right now to help your immune system repair all the damage that's been done by these cells that are replicating like crazy. And so when I study survivors who beat incredible odds, now these are people who are sent home on hospice and they're told by their doctors there's nothing more we can do. Well, some of these people turn their cancer around and go into remission. By studying them, I am figuring out clues to how the immune system can be stimulated enough to overcome cancer.